Hi everyone, good day to you. My name is L.B.D Daniel L.B.D, and yeah, this is my first video for this year, and I want it to be like a plan for your 2024 goals, like what you want to achieve, what you want to accomplish, and the steps in which you can use in achieving that. So something funny happened today, like I went to church actually. So we're giving this like a format or a guideline in planning our 2024. Like it has what's it called? It has like some things you need to do. You set your goals. You set your requirements needed to set your goals, and the timeline or your target for which you want to set a goal. So basically, like yeah, it was done in church today. I was like, oh, um, many if people have access to stuff like this, and she actually help them in their career and in other part of their lifestyle or area of life too. So yeah, I know we already past the half of this month. Like you might be thinking it's already too late. This month is gone. No, it's actually something that you can start and set what you want to achieve before the end of this year, right? So let's go to the document here. So it's called Goal Setting 2024, a personal development plan framework. So it has a list of let me say I will not say goal or column, but yeah. So it has your focus area, your goal or target, your requirement, your action plan, your timeline or target date, and your status or review. So for the first bar, we have the spiritual level. So I know that some of you are not a Christian, right? So but you can just keep the spiritual aspect of it, and we'll move on to the next one, which is acquisition, right? So for the skill acquisition, in the focus area, we have second language, in case you want to learn a second language. So me, actually, I was learning Spanish a while back, so I stopped. Yeah, so this 2024, I want to be fluent in Spanish. So I think I'll set a goal for Spanish learning. So yeah, after that we have vocational training. If you want to learn any like vocational work, maybe carpentry, barbering, electrician and stuff, to just help you bring more finances in, bring more cash in. And if you want to learn more soft skills like interpersonal skills, communication, leadership skills, you can set your goal or target on how to do that. So let's say you have creativity or test script. So let me explain each of the stuff to you now. Let's say the skill acquisition area, you want to learn a new test skill. Let's say you want to learn React.js. So your goal or target might be by the end of 2024, I should have been a pro or a professional in React.js, or you want to determine that we want to set a goal that at the end of this year or in 6 months or 3 months, you want to be able to understand Redux fully or React House add-on. So um, you write it here as a goal. So your requirement, like what you are going to need um, to make this goal a reality. Like for learning React, you might need a laptop if you don't have one, a stable internet, um, light, and a good course. So maybe you want to use what's it called, Coursera, Pluralsight, um, Udemy, or so, or Code Academy. There are a lot of ways, so you can just write it your requirement that what you are going to need to achieve your goals. Then we go to the next part, which is the action plan. Like, how do you want to achieve it? What is your plan in achieving your goals? Let's say, okay, in learning React, you can say that in a week or weekly, I want to, understand. the concept of components, right? Or in a month, I want to do this, I want to do that. So it's just your plan, like what are the steps or the step by step process in achieving your goal, right? I hope you understand that. Then we move on to the timeline or target date. Like you want to set a timeline of how you want to achieve this. Maybe you learn React, you want to learn it within 3 months or a year or 6 months, depending on you. And your status and reviews, like each progress you make, what do you feel like? What was your review like? How far have you come? What was your hindrances? And you not meeting a particular deadline or stuff. So you write it there. And let me say this here. So like set goals that you know that you can achieve. Right? Don't set goal like, oh, you want to learn React within 1 month, you want to be a professional, you need to do 1 month. It's possible for some people, but it might not be possible for you. Like, so just try and set goal that you can do, right? Set little goals for now. If you are not very um, big in learning things, set little goals for now. Don't watch everything, don't jam pack everything. Learning a test career, you might say, oh, within this year, you want to learn like 3 to 4 skills rather. So you might not want to rush it, like say within, because you want to learn 4 different skills. You are now giving each of the skills, you are giving like 3 months to learn. It might be possible for other people, but look at yourself like, oh, this thing, how many months or years will it take me to perfect it, right? So set a realistic goal. So you even know that your whole learning journey takes a while. You can just determine to learn 2 in a year. It's fine. Rather than some people that are a fast learner and stuff. So just look at yourself, your life, like how fast are you learning, and use that as a prospect to set your goals. That's that. So then we move on to the financial aspect. So in the focus area of financial aspect, we have the saving plan. Like what are your plans for saving? How much do you want to save this year? And all that. Now your investment plan. Do you want to invest in any business or stocks or shares or bonds and stuff like that? So you just plan everything out. Then you have given an helping others, maybe giving to charity, helping people, maybe paying for their courses, paying for their school fees or their tuition. Just plan ahead and try to figure out how best you can maintain your financial life or financial lifestyle. Then your assets acquisition and all that. So for your career and business part, you have your maybe you want to take a professional exam, maybe ICANN or a cloud engineering certificate and stuff. Yeah, then your business plan, your technical skill for your job. You want to learn new skill for your current job. How what is your goal for learning that skill? How do you want to learn your requirements for learning it? Then your business growth and your entrepreneurship skills, your interpersonal skills, and your communication skills, your skills in the workplace, your skills outside the workplace, and all that. Then you have your academic and mental, right? So you want to read books, which type of book you want to read, what type of books will make you more knowledgeable, more understanding, what type of books are you going to read that will help in your journey in your career. And then we have your solving problem, what problem you want to solve in your workplace. Like someone told me today actually that um, that he wants to be a solution rather than being a problem to his organization. That went deep actually, because like if you be a solution to an organization, like let's say you find a problem, you solve it, you solve the problem like in an organization. So you don't want to give someone a promotion, they'll look at you first, because a problem that they didn't know existed, you found the problem and you solved the problem. So the if there's a promotional level, right, they always look at you first to be the right fit or candidate for that, because you are a problem solver, problem so, you solve problem, you think outside the box. And mind you, I'm not saying that you should go and create a problem so that you can solve. Try to look for a problem that idea but people are not seeing and solve them. Then we move on to the um yeah, life impacting ministerial aspect, like helping others, like I said earlier, maybe paying for their tuition, school fees and all that. Attending ministerial school, that is for if you are a Christian or if you are Muslim, I guess you have some school you have to go to also. I know your calling, yeah, your right calling. You can just leave that part out. I think it's more of a spiritual aspect. Then we have the family, home, and marital aspect of this. If you don't have a partner, choosing your right partner, finding the right partner for you, finding the partner that will support you in your career, in your maybe your business, a partner that will always be there for you, that will be like your backbone, like your best friend, your soulmate and all that. Then considering for your marriage, making sure your marriage doesn't fail, right, and all that. Attending marriage seminar. So this one is basically for the relationship aspect of your life, right? I wish it can also affect your career. If as I always say, a happy home is the happy life, right? So if you have peace at home, your family are happy, your marriage is okay, you definitely succeed in what you are doing because you have a peace of mind in what you are doing. Now we have the health aspect, like you want to focus on your health plan, your diet plan, maybe having a regular exercise, medical checkup, and making sure that you are fit to do what you want to do. You are not tired. You don't stress yourself too much. You're healthy focused, right, and all that. So these are just things that you can look into, focus area in setting your goal in this new year. So this is like a development plan or framework. So like I'll be dropping the what is it called, the document in the description below. So you can just, if you need a copy, you can just check it, print it out, and fill it. You can fill it, hang it in your bedroom, or your fridge, and something that you can see daily. So but I'll beg of you to fill this truthfully and honestly, and make sure that you work towards your goal, work towards what you've set down for your life this year, and you make sure that you achieve them. And at the end of the year, you review this document again. Oh, what are the things I've achieved? In what you have achieved them, and what did that meet the target deadline, right? And then you also look at things that you didn't achieve, or you look at why you were unable to achieve this particular goal, and what can you do to do that in the upcoming year. So how you can improve yourself so that the goals that aren't met in the previous year will be met in the upcoming year. So I hope I'll be able to help you in this aspect of goal settings, and yeah, I think that's it. So if you have any question, kindly reach out to me. I'll be um happily happily to oblige with and stuff. And I'll also be dropping this on LinkedIn, like the written version of it. If it's possible, I might write an article on it though. I don't know yet, but um anything you need, if you don't understand some aspect, just let me know. I'll be happy to reach out and help you out. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless. Bye.